If you're seeing more gray hairs pop up, maybe your hair is getting finer, maybe you're losing more hair, this video is for you. When I read up on K18's brand new release, the FutureIQ Serum, I jumped on this immediately, and I do not use this word lightly. If this does what it promises to do, this product is truly game-changing. There is nothing like this out there. Now, K18 has been around forever. They are a very reputable brand in the hair care space, specifically in strengthening your hair. And this serum is designed to help prevent and reduce your gray hairs and add up to 19,000 hairs to your head in 90 days. On top of that, it improves your scalp barrier. So if you use this for 90 days, that is what they promise you will expect. Less gray hair and a much thicker, fuller head of hair. And while I've tested a lot of serums that are meant to help with fuller, thicker hair, I have never tested or even seen a serum that will go after gray hairs. Now, I am in my mid-40s. I do color my hair, but I definitely have a lot of grays and they are coming in faster. So I am really excited to put this to the test. I've only used it 2 times so far, so I'm very much at the before, and I will be doing an after video at the end of 90 days as I do plan to use this for 90 days. Now, using this is very simple. It's very lightweight. It's basically fragrance-free. There's really no smell at all, and it's fast absorbing. So once I put it on, it just goes right in. And you can see on the vial itself, it has a little black line. So you want to go to the black line. That is your daily amount you want. And if you pump everything out and put it in and just do 1 pump, I find that it consistently goes up to that black line, which is really nice. This is also a really nice container. It's all glass. Lovely. And then to apply, you really do just get to the scalp and just do a little bit everywhere along your scalp. I'm not going to do too much now because this is expensive, which is something I'll get to in a moment. And I already did it this morning, but once it's in, you just kind of massage it in. And most of that massaging is to get the most out of the serum to really get that full spread. I am focusing the majority of it on my top portion. That is where I'm seeing the most gray hairs and where I've seen more hair loss. But you could definitely keep working it to get as much of your scalp as possible. And you want to apply it right when you get out of a shower, or for me, it will be nighttime, but whenever's best for you, just once a day. That's the whole point. Now, going to the price. This is expensive, and you do need to use it for 90 days to see the results. So this is a commitment. I would not just dive into this unless you really believe in K18 like I do and have looked at their clinical studies, which I'm really excited by. But this is my first experience with this. I have no idea how the results are going to be after 90 days, but I am committed. So I will follow this video up in 3 months. Just know this is such a brand new release that anyone else testing it is also going to be waiting 3 months before they can truly provide before and after results. So if you don't want to wait 3 months, I do think this is worth trying as long as you trust the brand and have looked to those clinical results. I'm so excited. K18's FutureIQ Serum.